So, you're a creator, and you've just landed that amazing payday, that 5-figure check from a huge brand deal, the YouTube ad revenue that finally makes this whole crazy dream feel real. Hold on to that feeling, because the IRS is about to demand a huge piece of it back. We're talking 15.3%. And no, this isn't your regular income tax. This is a totally separate tax, a surprise bill that ambushes millions of freelancers, artists, and creators every single year. They call it the 1099 tax trap, and it costs creators thousands of dollars they never, ever saw coming. When you work a traditional W-2 job, your employer handles this for you. But now, you're a freelancer, a YouTuber, a creator. You're your own boss. Congratulations on the promotion. You are now both the employee and the employer. Add them up, and you get that 15.3% gut punch. But this is where the power shifts back to you. This brings us to your most powerful tool in this tax fight, the Schedule C. Don't let the official name scare you. This form is your new best friend. The Schedule C is where you officially declare to the IRS, hey, yes, I made this much money, but it cost me money to make that money. I am a business. So, what exactly is a business expense? First up, equipment and software. That new camera, deductible. That fancy mic, deductible. Next, your workspace. Do you have a dedicated room for your business? You can claim the home office deduction. Third, transportation. Track those miles. For 2026, the IRS lets you deduct 72.5 cents for every single business mile you drive. Let's put this all together. Meet Alex, a YouTuber who earned $80,000 this year by tracking ordinary and necessary expenses like a new camera, software, home office, and professional services. Alex found $8,050 in deductions. In total, just by being organized, Alex saved nearly $3,000 in taxes. Okay, knowing this stuff is half the battle. Actually doing it is the other half. First, pay quarterly estimated taxes. Second, separate your finances. Open a dedicated business checking account. Look, I know building these habits can feel like a lot. We put together a free, super simple expense tracking spreadsheet designed just for creators. The link is in the description below. You earned that money now? Go out there and keep more of it.